now is part 3, which is actually calculating the confidence interval. Well, in order to calculate the confidence interval, you just really have to find the margin of error and add it and subtract it from the mean. And that's it. So you have to be able to follow the steps from part 2, which included some steps from part 1 in order to do this. Okay? So there's less problems of this. So let's start off by looking at number 1. So for number 1, a 95% confidence error interval. I still know my margin of error. I have to find that. That's the key point right now. PQ over N. So for 95% confidence, my critical point is 1.96. My P for this problem is 42%, which means my Q is 58%, and then my N is 200. Okay, so I'm just going to calculate my margin of error again. So it's going to be 1.96 times the square root of 0.42 times 0.58 divided by 200. And let's plug that in. So 1.96 times the square root of 42 times 0.58 divided by 200 gives me 0.0684. I would be happy with just saying 0.068. My pencil keeps breaking. Okay. All right. So this is essentially, if I have my curve, my mean is here. My 95th percentile is 0.068 to the left and 0.068 to the right. That would give me my 95% confidence rating. So all I have to do now is I have to do 0.42 subtract 0.068. So my low end is 0.352. And then I'm going to add it for the upper end. Oops. So what that tells me is that I am 95% confident that the true proportion of, people that have been to Hawaii is between 35.2% and 48.8%. That's what it means. So again, I am 95% confident that the true proportion of people that have been to Hawaii is between 35.2% and 48.8%. Okay? It didn't ask for you to write a summary, but while it's here, I wanted to talk to you about it. Okay? All right, so same process as the other two. If you've watched them, go ahead and stop the video, try number 2 and 3 on your own, and then when you think you're ready, go ahead and hit play again so that you can check your answers. Okay, so go ahead and take a look at 2 and 3. Hopefully I didn't make any calculation errors, but those should be your 2 answers, okay? And again, if you have questions, come in and I can easily explain it or give you some more practice problems to do. Okay, thank you for this one. There is one more.